welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my homemade vegan granola recipe. Also, I'll show you 2 ways that I like to eat granola. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe because I upload every single week. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. To a bowl, add your dry ingredients. 2 cups of oats, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and a handful of pumpkin seeds. Mix that all together and set aside. To another bowl, add your wet ingredients. 1 mashed banana, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then, mix your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix all together. In a pan lined with a silicone sheet, transfer your mixture. The secret to get clusters of crunchy granola is to press the mixture so that when it bakes, it will become golden and toasted. Add your granola to the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, take it out of the oven and let it cool. You can store your homemade granola into a mason jar to keep it fresh. One of my favorite ways to eat it is just on its own with some almond milk. Another way that I like to have it is into smoothie bowls. I like to sprinkle granola on top of my smoothie bowls to make them extra delicious. So that's it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more because I upload every week, and also give this video a thumbs up so I know. Leave a comment down below what ways you like to eat granola, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Luna, come here, come on.